This is the working schematic of the VICON modular stainless steel water tank. In terms of structural design, the top section is equipped with a maintenance manhole, allowing for convenient routine inspection and servicing. Inside, a float valve and refill pipe are installed, which automatically open or close according to the water level, ensuring precise replenishment and preventing overflow. Meanwhile, on the right side, an overflow pipe and water level inspection port are configured to provide dual safety protection, while allowing direct visual monitoring of the water level. At the bottom structure, an outlet pipe and pressure suction pipe are installed, paired with a check valve to effectively prevent backflow and cavitation, ensuring smoother pump operation during startup and shutdown. In addition, the low point, drain outlet, and guiding groove are designed to collect and discharge sediment efficiently, making cleaning and maintenance simpler and more effective. The entire water tank connects seamlessly through modular interfaces to external valves, pump units, and sprinkler terminals, forming a continuous and stable water supply system. Whether installed in villa courtyards, industrial parks, or construction sites, it provides safe and reliable water protection in all scenarios. Next, let's go through its construction and installation process. Before starting the construction, a concrete foundation must be poured, with pre-formed trenches and suction channels to ensure stable and smooth drainage throughout. Then, side panels are erected and connected, followed by the installation of horizontal and vertical supports. At key structural points, cross-lock fasteners are added to complete a firm and reliable main framework. Next, install the top panels and align all joint interfaces, while setting up the manual control components for convenient future debugging and maintenance. Upon entering the pump room construction phase, first erect the side panels, then weld the I-beam and channel steel supports, and continue installing the remaining side panels to gradually form the complete frame. Afterward, sequentially install the roof panels, top covers, stairs, and sliding covers, ensuring a secure and user-friendly structure. Finally, proceed to the pipeline and ventilation system installation, including the outlet, non-powered ventilator, and tank breather vent, all of which are key components. Once all installations are completed, anti-corrosion asphalt should be evenly applied to critical areas to enhance overall durability and protection performance. At this stage, the entire water tank and pump room system has been successfully constructed, structurally solid, safe, and reliable in operation.